Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is Wayne's equipment from Wisconsin. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And this is the metal body. And since it's the metal body, it is pre-war. And so that's a very sought after telephone because it's all metal. Wayne's got a note with this unit. He's talking about he can't get it to ring. So we want to go through the bell circuit. We want to adjust the bells. We want to go through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We want to troubleshoot the handset cord, transmit, receive. We know that the rotary is a little sluggish, and we want to clean, oil, and adjust that. Now we have an original style line cord on this telephone, and we want to try to save it. So we want to install a modular line plug onto this line cord. If it troubleshoots out to be good, then we can use it. And we'll go ahead and give you a look at this telephone. It's in very good condition for its age. We have the cover loose, so we can go ahead and show you the inside of this telephone. We have a date code 539, so it is pre-war. Give you a look at the network and bell circuit. We want to go through that network. We want to make sure everything is wired properly and it's tight. Give you a look at the rotary. We also want to go through the hook switch. So that gives you a look at this unit. And it is in very good condition for its age. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We troubleshooted the handset cord, transmit, and receive. All the connections were cleaned and tightened. We went through the rotary. That was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We also went through the network. We made sure that the network was wired properly and that all the connections were tight. We went through the hook switch. We also repaired the bell circuit, and we adjusted the bells. We installed a modular line plug so that we could save the original line cord to this telephone. And we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. If you hear an electrical hum or a staticky type hum, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. It is pretty quiet today. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We can walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out. Totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We can give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Monday, October 9th. The current time, 1:38 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone with a metal cover has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Wayne and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.